Okay, our exercise now is to find the mean of group data or the mean of ungrouped data. So if you look at the frequency table, that's where we've got group data. You can see there the interval, first interval is 420 to 460. And now we take the midpoints of each of the intervals. The first midpoint between halfway between 420 and 460 is 440. And so on. We take the next interval, 460 to 500. Halfway between that is 480, and then we look at all the midpoints of the class intervals. Then we look at the frequencies for each of the class intervals, and we multiply 440 times 6, and so on. We take the last one, 760 times 1. We get our totals there, and then we multiply them out and we add it all up. So the mean of grouped frequency is going to be the sum of x, which is the midpoint, times the frequency, divided by the sum of f, which in other words is going to be the total number of data that we have, which in this case is 100. And therefore our total 55120 divided by 100, and there is our mean. Okay, you could also do it separately. I think Tatum did it in this way, multiplying as one step basically the midpoint times the frequency plus the next interval, the midpoint times the frequency, and so on, and then dividing that all by 100 in one step, and there you get obviously the same answer. The difference between that and ungrouped data is not in class intervals. It's in any order. It could be going up and down. The data is repeated and so on. And then, as usual, finding the mean, you just add up all the data and you divide it by the amount of data. In this case, there are 8 elements there, so you divide by 8. And as usual, the total there divided by the total number of elements is 8,5. Thank you.